Which part of the video do the pipes sound better in? The first part or the second part? In the first part, the drones were out of tune and the chanter was an older one that it wasn't designed to project the pitch that is typically expected today. In the second part of the video, the drones were much more in tune and the chanter is more modern with a better reed in it, so it's able to vibrate properly, and you can hear how the sound projected in the second part of the video. If you want your pipes to sound more like in the second half of the video, there are two ways to do it. One, tune your drones. I will leave a link below to a video that I recently did on drone tuning. And two, get a chanter that is designed to project the pitch that is typically expected today. And an extra one, get a reed that vibrates properly. If the reed squeals when you blow into it, that means that it will typically work. However, the longevity of the reed will be very questionable and the pitch will likely not be what you will be looking for. I hope that these tips were helpful for you. If you are unsure about anything that I talked about today, please leave a comment down below or send me an email through my website. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.